What's good, YouTube? It's your boy LFK, man, and I'm back at it again with another helpful video. Today I'm going to be showing you my 12 streams of income. Yes, 12. I'm only 18, man. Trying to go dumb, man. You choose if you want to be broke, to be honest. But, man, let's jump straight into this video, man. Ain't no teachers here, so hit that sub button, man. Let's go. Alright, first thing first, bro. I sell mattresses. Yes, sell mattresses. You're like, how? Why? Like, where? So when we first moved to Florida from New York, we needed mattresses. So we met this guy. He told us, yeah, this is a good business to get into, so we got into it. We paid the guy $1,300, bought 6 mattresses, and then we sold them. Well, we got one more left in the garage. I'll show y'all a clip of that. But we got one more mattress in the garage that we need to sell, and we made a profit about $400 to $500. It took us about 2 weeks promoting everything. Easy business. I highly recommend y'all get into it, especially this tax season and stimulus season, man. Just get into it. The next one, bruh, flipping shoes, bruh. This is one of the best ways. I just made this today, honestly, flipping shoes. I got some retros in my closet right now. I gotta flip. So all you gotta do is just go on StockX, look at a shoe, look at a popular shoe, bruh. Buy it for retail price and sell it for an upscale price of your choice. Whatever you feel is lenient, what you will buy it for. Just like that, man. Easy money. You will make a profit about probably $50 each shoe. Pay $170 for a shoe. With the pair of Jordan 1s, get $210. So easy, bro. Another one is I edit videos. So if you go on this app called Fiverr, you could provide your skills and people pay for it, bro. People pay for like shirt editing, anything of your skill that you could do online. Go on Fiverr, man. Get in contact. I edit videos for people. I just did 2. I do $10. Easy, just easy extra money, bro. And jumping to the next one, I sell shirts. I've had a brand called Young World. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna show you. It's called Young World here with a card right here, bro. I had this thing for a while, but I never really put full effort into it. And then a couple weeks ago, I decided I'm gonna put full effort into it. And honestly, I got a couple hits on shirts. I designed the shirts myself. I did everything, put them on Shopify, and I'm gonna show you the shirts. I'm gonna show you. I charge $20 a shirt, bro. I do it lenient for people, and what's gonna benefit me in the long run. I do the math calculations, bro. Yeah, this is so easy to get money, bro. And I didn't realize this. I wish I'd have realized this a couple years ago. The next one is, bro, chores. I just ask my parents what they need done around the house. Whatever, depending on what it is, $5, $10, $20. These are sort of my lowest strains, but yeah, they work, bro. They add up, save your money. Just put your money in a drawer, put it in the bank. That's what I'm gonna do. I gotta run that, put that in the bank. That's from some shoes I sold. Another one is I got a job at racetrack, part-time job. Get it. Just do a lot of hours one day when you don't have nothing to do, or really you're not so busy. Get a job, bro. Me and my dad babysits this little kid. He comes over, $30 a day, $40 a day. Come over, we watch him. We still have fun with him. Easy income, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all just gotta grind, bro. Another one is I make thumbnails. Yes, if you need thumbnails made, just hit me. I design thumbnails. So if y'all need any thumbnail done, just hit me. Any shirt, matter of fact, shirt designs, anything, just hit me up. I'm the one to go. Alright, the next one is fix PlayStations. I got one right here, honestly. If you need like a PlayStation fix, I'll fix one for you. I got one right here. Tore up right now. This guy hit me up, said he needed it done. It's very loud and it overheats sometimes. So got some parts. And yeah, another source of income. $75 just to fix this one right here. Y'all better get into. Yep, and that's what, 11 I think. And the next one is real estate. My dad owns a house in New York State. Whatever he needs done, I'll pay for it. He gives me some of the rent. Bro, that's easy money, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, get in tune, bro. Get in tune. So right now we own 2 houses. Me and my dad split everything. He know how it is being a young man. So, yep. That's something he helps me with, the real estate part. And the last one, I sell old items around the house. I didn't have this on the list, but I just thought of it. Like any item I don't use, I sell. Like I got a TV right here I don't use. I just moved to Florida. I'll be outside. TV not gonna make me no money, bro. I decided to sell it. And also, like clothes, all that. I'm like I don't really need. I just need a pack of white tees, some Bezos, bro. Yeah, y'all know the Air Force ones. That's all I need, bro. But it's so easy to get money, bro. I hope I helped y'all get some ideas in your mind, bro. Great side hustles. Get a main job. Start a YouTube channel explaining this, bro. Hopefully the YouTube could take you from there. Anyways, man, hit that sub button. Ain't no teachers here. Y'all need to sub. Hit that like button, man. And I'm out.